All right, everyone, let's take a look at the newest updates by the National Weather Service Office, and looking like an eventful day across the area, that's for sure. We'll first take a look at the high resolution models on what they're thinking regarding timing. Looks like it starts to get into northeast Alabama anywhere between 6 and 8 o'clock. So somewhere right in there, I'm leaning more towards 7 and 8 o'clock. Now, those storms that develop ahead of the line there, those discrete cells ahead of the main line will have the best potential for producing tornadoes today. And some of those could be strong EF2 plus in size. So make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings. And again, looks like that comes in later on around between 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock for northeast Alabama. We'll need to keep a very close eye on these. The wind profiles are absolutely crazy with today's system. So let's take a look at that. The damaging wind threat, almost high, not quite, but almost as high as you can go on the charts. Just another level up, and it would literally be at the high. So it's up there regarding the damaging wind threat. So it looks like a high risk of sub-severe gusty winds, 40 to 60 miles per hour. Severe wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, also up around the high range, and considerable severe winds of 70 miles per hour or greater, kind of middle ways. So definitely going to be a severe weather threat, damaging winds for sure. Tornado threat, also hatched risk. All of North Alabama is under a hatched risk, which is something you don't see too often, but it has happened. A few tornadoes, tornado or two, pretty much high risk just about on that, on the charts anyway. Regarding the level here, we're at a level 2. That would be a 10 to 14% risk, slightly higher for the hatched risk there. So a few tornadoes kind of in the middle there. There is a good possibility of a few tornadoes. Several tornadoes, some which could be significant, EF2 plus, lower threat of that, but definitely not zero. Looking at the hail threat, there is a hail threat for North Alabama. Severe hail less than 1 inch in diameter, high risk of that. Severe hail 1 inch or greater, almost in between, so there could be some large hail. Of course, considerable hail, which would be very, very large, like golf ball plus, lower threat, but definitely possible. So looking at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, of course, all of North Alabama is under that. And I need to fix this graphic real quick, see if I can correct it. Okay, so there's our newest update graphic. All of North Alabama is under a enhanced risk level 3 of severe thunderstorms today. That does include a chance for tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, wind 4 p.m. this evening through 12 a.m. tonight. Early Wednesday, of course, timing may be adjusted, and also the threat levels may be adjusted. We are currently waiting on that, so there's a possibility of all that happening. Very warm outside today, 79. We're right at 80 degrees right now, 11:28. Very, very hot day outside. Very windy outside, too. So timing, this is the timing from the National Weather Service Office. They're thinking 4 p.m. to 10 for areas Florence and Russellville. Now, keep in mind, there will be storms develop ahead of the line. So those will be the ones we have to watch, any discrete storms that develop. Looks like it gets around the Huntsville, Fayetteville, Coleman area around 6 p.m. to 11. And northeast Alabama somewhere between 7 p.m. and 12 a.m. tonight. Make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings tonight for sure. So we'll get ready to wrap it up here. Busy day ahead, lots to prepare for. Make sure you and your family do the same thing. Prepare. Make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings. Make sure you got it set to like my page. Also, follow. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube, and make sure you got it set to receive all notifications. So we'll wrap it up here with our sponsor, Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, give him a call at 256-979-4330. And also RKG Automotive Group, you can give them a call, 256-323-7323. Also check them both out on Facebook. Give them a like and a share as well. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe. Today is a day you want to remain weather aware at all times. A day you want to take seriously, too. This is going to be a rough day before we, end up getting it on out of here. There's going to be some rough weather come through. Make sure that you've got everything prepared for your family to stay safe. Of course, take it very seriously because this is a system here that warrants that attention. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the next updates.